How to delete old Facebook account without password, email, phone, and username. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can delete the old Facebook account without password, email, phone, and username. So let's just get started with the video. For that, you can head over to your browser and here you can type in facebook.com/login /identify and hit the search. From here, you can go to this option right here, the first one, and you need to enter up your Facebook account details. So you can search for the account that you want to delete here, right here, and once that is done, you just need to continue and click on report file. So you just need to go ahead and enter your username if you have created one, and your username is personalized Facebook URL. Ask one of your Facebook friends to look out about the section of your profile and send you the email address or the mobile phone number listed in the contact information. So you can just go ahead and do that, and if you suspect that your account was hacked, you can just go ahead and report that profile and they should help you delete it. So that is how you delete your old Facebook account without password, email, and phone and username. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.